Good morning, good evening, whatever time you guys watching this video. It's your boy Bruce, and I'm back with another video, guys. Today is gonna be kind of like a vlog today. It's not gonna be like about the Tacoma, but guys, I have amazing news, exciting news too, guys. I'm dead serious. But yeah, made an investment. Yeah, you guys are wondering, like, Bruce, where's the videos at? Like, what you been doing? And I'm kind of making this video to give you guys an update too. Just to let you guys know, I got a house. Yeah, I got a house. Actually, me and my girlfriend both got a house. We got a house together, and that's great. It's good news. I'm excited for it because, you know, it's an investment. You know, I got plans for the house. I want to build a garage, and that's kind of, you know, hard right now during the pandemic. But I'm grateful to get a house during the pandemic. Really grateful. Back in school too, so it's a lot on my plate right now, guys, but I'm gonna try to bring content to you guys as well. But it might not be, I haven't really been consistent. I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna try to be consistent on some type of level with videos. I don't want to make a lot of vlogs. I know people are not really interested in watching a lot of vlogs. People are like, you know, they like to see upgrades. You know, you guys like to see adventures and me doing stuff with the truck, which it's still gonna happen. I'm trying to plan up and line up some stuff. I really need to get myself organized. I really do. That is one flaw that I have, is that I'm not really organized. But we're gonna be doing some stuff, some house shopping, alright guys? So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you when we get to the house shopping part. Alright guys, we're in IKEA. She's here too. Shopping for house stuff. Look at that. Bread's real.
I like bread.
The bread is real. It's a cool living room set.
It's gotta be up off the floor though.
I'm getting this bedroom set. Oh, I got my dream cars right there. Look at that. Bam, Mustang. Bam, Mustang. Bam, Ford GT. Hey man, IKEA, I might as well just get this whole setup right here. It's so simple, so elegant. If you like this style, I don't like this rug thing, but this is like if you had a cabin up in probably Gatlinburg or something. Gatlinburg. Give me Gatlinburg vibes. Set up right here. The floating cabinets that have stuff underneath. The floating cabinets are pretty cool.
You put it like against the wall, but is it really expensive?
Anybody want a frappuccino?
I really would like.
Would you like a frappuccino?
I'd like to have like a wall plants. That'd be cool.
Why?
Because plants are nice.
How are you gonna water them?
We water.
What if the water spills on the floor?
We have hardwood floors. We can clean it, mop, whatever.
Alright, sure. Alright, I'm gonna make me a cappuccino. Someone's already eating some Lucky Charms. I like it though. It's like you're about to serve your guests something.
But first, coffee.
One of the dream kitchens right here, man. Look at this. 10 bucks if you climb in there.
You really getting $10?
$10 if you go in there. Oh, so you're lame. Good morning. Going to get something added onto the Tacoma. So, you know, something to stand out so you guys know it's me. Because I see a lot of, you know, magnetic grade Tacomas around, and if you guys are hearing that exhaust over me, because that's my Blackwood exhaust. You guys want to hear it? I don't know if it is, but I'm on my way to my man Griff's Garage. If you guys haven't heard of him, I'm gonna link his link down for his Instagram down below. And also you guys get a chance to meet him too, because me and him, we're gonna do more things to this Tacoma to make it stand out. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll see you when I get there. Jeremy just got done putting my banner up on my truck, which looks good, by the way. Now you guys know it's me on the road, because some people keep asking, Bruce, how do we know it's you? And I know it's kind of hard to be looking through somebody's truck on the road, but now you guys know. There you go. See that? YouTube, Bruce. you know it's me. And then you got the Griff Garage sticker right there. Matches the TRD and the wheels. And it matches the red YouTube logo. So if you guys need any decal work and you guys are in the Charlotte area, Concord area, or in North Carolina in general, just make an appointment with my man. He will get you looking right. As you can see, his beautiful cars in the background that he wrapped himself, especially this Camaro. If you've seen this at Cars and Coffee, you know it's him right here. Especially this bad boy right here. So you definitely cannot miss this man on the road. This is Jeremy himself. That's the man, the myth, the legend right there. Don't you guys forget it. Until then, guys, there's gonna be more coming to this. I ain't gonna tell you how soon or how later, but it's definitely more coming to this to make it stand out more, guys. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.